Hi, my name is Daniel Oyoka, and I'll be walking through on how our application works. And I'll start by running this code. As you can see, our application has about 8 options in the menu, and it prompts the user to input a choice of theirs. And in case a user decides to, in this case, the registrar decides to create a student, and that's option one. And you input the one, it will ask you to enter student's name, and let me say Daniel. uh, to ask for the date of birth, and you can see, trying to input in that format of year, month, um, and the day. Then it asks for the registration number. Okay, this is supposed to be 6 digits. So then program code and CSS, maximum 4, right? If then tuition, you can say 1M. Then finally, you can see the message student added successful. So you can go on again to add more students. Let me select again, create a student. That's option one. It will ask again for the name. Let me say Oyoko something. Date of birth in 2000, maybe 4 of the day is 23rd. Then it asks for the student registration number 00234. All right. Then finally the program, I should say maybe Bram something. And the tuition, let me say 1.5 M. All right. Then you can see student, the other message here, student added successful. We can go ahead to create one more student, and if I input choice one, then the name, let me say Isaac, date of birth, the year 2005, of August, then 23rd, or maybe 12th or 29th. Then to ask for the registration number, still I would use write that. Then the program, maybe Beast, then session 2M. So yeah, you can see Sechito Isaac has also been added to the database. So we are having 3 students, and when you try to prompt the program to read the students we have, then maybe choice two. Um, like you want to check which student in particular. Let me say now I want to read Isaac. For me to be able to read, I'm supposed to enter the registration number for that particular student. Let me say for Isaac it was 0034 54, and you can see it returns Isaac, student phone, Isaac, his details, registration number, program, and tuition. And if you just in case we want to update a student, that's option 3, update student. They ask you which student you want to update. So you're supposed to enter their registration number. Let me say Daniel. That's a 000045. Let me check again and be sure of his there's 04564 4564, and that's the student we want to update his details. Then the name, since now I want to change Daniel's name to, let me say, Isret. It asks me his date of birth. I can say maybe 2012, 2000, let me say 2000 exactly. Then of May 30th, then the program code BSE, and your tuition, that's about, let me say 3M. then you can see student information updated successfully. So when you try, so this student has been updated, and again, so for this registration number, this is the student now. It's Israel instead of Daniel. So we can go ahead maybe to delete a student, and that's option 4. And it prompts me to input a student registration number for you to be able to carry out that. And let me use Isaac's student registration number, which is a 003 454 454. Yeah. So enter. So student with the registration numbers has been deleted. So this student has also been deleted from our database, and we can go ahead maybe to search student by registration number. So that option 5, since we delete it, it's going to return not found for Isaac. And if we input another registration number for student available in our database, we shall be able to see that it returns that student's information. So if I input option 5, search students by the registration number, it will prompt us to enter their number. Let's assume we want to search for Daniel. Okay, right. Daniel 04 004 004 556. It will return Oyoka, as you can see. For that student, that's option 5. And when you try now option 6, that's such students, it will registration number, like it will prompt the user to input whether by name or registration number. Let me say by name. That's option 1. You can see Israel and Oyoka are the students available in our database. Remember, Isaac was deleted, so we don't have Isaac in our database. Maybe you can still say we want to sort students by their, okay, sort students, that's option 6. And now this time around, we want to sort students by their registration number, that's option 2. It will prompt us to enter. So you here, you can see they have sorted them, and we're having this student registration number belonging to Israel and the other to Daniel Toyoka. So the last option is we want to export our student records to a CSV file, and as you can see, I'm supposed to enter 7 for that function to occur. For that operation particular to occur, and you can see a message, student records exported already to a CSV file, which you can now access. And lastly, we are able to exist our program. When I input an 8, you can see that we shall be able to exit, and the program will terminate definitely. Well, thanks for following up on how our program works. See you.